This modern minimalist design is a style that emphasizes simplicity, functionality, and clean lines. It focuses on the idea that less is more, creating spaces that are uncluttered and free from excessive decoration. The design is straightforward and unadorned, with a focus on essential elements. It aims to create peaceful, harmonious spaces that are both aesthetically pleasing and highly functional. Emphasis is placed on maintaining tidy and organized spaces, with everything having a designated place. The ceiling enhances the space, making it look sharper and more pleasing in harmony with the overall materials used. Furniture and architectural details have sharp, clean lines without ornate detailing. Decoration and accessories are kept to a minimum. When used, they are carefully selected for their quality and aesthetic value. High-quality materials such as wood, metal, and glass are chosen for their durability and timeless appeal. The space is a sanctuary for our client, designed to captivate and allure anyone who enters, evoking a welcoming vibe. Achieving our client's dream home is also our achievement, as we strive to creatively turn dreams into reality. At CMV, we are dedicated to crafting the best solutions for our clients, ensuring that every space is utilized to its fullest potential without compromising on design. Our mission is to make the best happen by harmonizing functionality and aesthetics.